Hold the smoke, then let it go. I love smoking weed all by myself. Don't have to pass it to no one else. I hit my blunt anytime I want. Got so much weed, I don't have to hunt. I don't get hyper, I don't get crunk. I do get high, I do get drunk. Once I'm high, and I'm high no doubt, I grab my ashtray and put my cigar out. Once my high is gone with the wind, I grab my life, then I flick again. Briefly take a chronic break. Weed headache, big mistake. I'm high, so I put my blunt down, turn up my music and dance all around. I can't hear the phone, I can't hear the door. I never leave home unless it's time to school. Smoke a blunt, nice and slow. Hold the smoke, now let it go. Smoke a blunt, nice and slow. Hold the smoke,